Type your text and place it at the top of your canvas. Convert the text to a shape. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select the bottom part of the text. Drag the selected points down. Hold Shift to drag straight down. Go to Filter. Liquify. Convert to Smart Object. Select the Forward Warp tool. These are the brush tool settings that I am using. Liquify the text from left to right and from right to left. Create a new layer. Select the Brush tool. Select the soft round brush. I use an opacity of 100%. Make the foreground color black. Click on one side of the text, hold Shift and click on the other side to create a brush stroke. Do the same thing for the other liquefied part. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop tutorials.